FIMIGroup has 200 employees and can be defined as the Italian excellence in the iron and steel sector because of its lines for plate manufacturing.
FIMI SPA è un'azienda.
FIMI SPA is a company with more than 50 years of activity in the designing and manufacturing of sheet finishing lines.
Possiamo dire tranquillamente che FIMI
We can say that FIMI is the company that has the widest range of products in this sector worldwide. We have slitting lines, cut-to-length lines, inspection and repair lines, but also lines with special features such as combined and multi-blanking lines, and everything we need to meet our customers' special requirements.
FIMI ha anche ampliato la gamma di prodotti.
FIMI has also broadened its product range. Besides coil finishing lines, FIMI can also supply electro-welded tube mills.
Questo tema dell'aggiunta alla divisione dei prodotti dei tubifici,
the introduction of the tube manufacturing lines will allow FIMI to broaden our markets.
A
new project of our group is the creation of FIMI Automation. We want to develop a complete and internal automation division for the future research and development of new systems of control and regulation, thus having a technological advantage compared to the main competitors.
FIMI Automation è nata espressamente
FIMI Automation has specifically been established to address the need to improve our services regarding automation, our operational and maintenance independence, and most of all, to collect operational and functional data about the lines with the aim of improving the efficiency and the energy consumption of these lines.
L'allargamento del gruppo ha permesso di guardare.
The enlargement of our group has allowed us to be very optimistic about the future. Our interested and satisfied customers prove this. And by the acquisition of complementary skills, we can further develop the distinctive features of our products.
FIMIGroup quindi non si ferma qui.
Therefore, FIMIGroup does not stop here, but continues to grow. We are now looking into the market to find other complementary companies we can take over to continue along the successful path we have started in the last few months. We aim at making our group even more complementary, both in terms of products and of markets.